Hi guys, let's see how to find and highlight duplicate rows and duplicate values in Google Sheets. So let's say this is a column and we want to find duplicate values and highlight them. So just select the whole column and then click on Format and click on Conditional Formatting. Make sure the whole range is selected. Here A to 115 is selected. Format cells if the select custom formula. In the value you have to type COUNTIF, and now here this is A column, so we will write A colon A comma A1, the first one, and then close the bracket, is greater than 1. Okay, and tap on done, and that's it. It has highlighted all the duplicate rows. I have pasted this formula in the description of this video also. Thanks for watching. Please do